Hey, how's it going? So I have a 2006 Honda Civic, and I'm going to show you a very quick restoration video. This is for the person or people, I guess, that don't really want to spend a lot of time doing it. I will tell you that it's probably not going to be the best fix, but I kind of saw the videos, and for me, I didn't really want to spend a lot of time, and honestly, I just wanted to pass inspection. The person told me that if I didn't clean them, that the next time that I went, that they were going to actually not pass my inspection. So what you see here is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using PlastX microfiber pads, but you can use the little towels or whatever to apply it. The Headlight coating that you see right there, and then also isopropyl alcohol to clean them after I use the PlastX, to make sure that they're really clean before I apply the Headlight coating. So I'm going to show you real quick right now how they look. So this is how they look without being clean. You can kind of tell that they're somewhat hazy, and I haven't washed this one. I'm only going to do one, but that way you can have like the before and after, and I'll do the before and after everything. I'm going to be doing 3 passes of the PlastX before I do the coating, and I'll also be showing you after every pass how it looks. So this is again the one that I haven't cleaned, and this one right here, I washed it. So I washed it before I started working on it, so that's how it looks. And again, we'll see how it looks here in a little bit. I'll show you after every pass, so that you can have the before and after. So here we go. So one last thing before you start working on it, I recommend that you actually tape the area, because even though it's not supposed to be a very harsh abrasive, look at how my paint is anyways. It's already pretty jacked up, but you don't really want to have to, like, you don't want to scratch up any of the clear coat more than it probably already is. Alright, so this is after the first pass. Okay, this is after the first pass, so you can see that right there, first pass. Let me show you the other one. This is the other one. Okay, so this is the one that's not clean. Alright, let me show you the other one once again. And again, this is the one I'm cleaning. This is after the first pass with PlastX. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second pass now. Alright, this is after the second pass. After the second pass. So second pass, let's take a look at the first one. This is the one that is not clean. Again, this is the one that is not clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the third pass. So this is after the third pass. I'm not really going to show you the other bolt, but this is after the third pass. Now, as you can see, you can still see kind of the pits and the chips, because again, it's not a very abrasive compound. So what I'm going to be doing here is just probably giving him 2 more passes, and then I'll show you how it looks after technically 5 passes. Here it is after 5 passes. So there's that one. Here's the other one. And now let's see them from far away. Here they are right next to each other. As you can see, it's a big difference. So now what I'm going to do is just clean it with a rubbing alcohol and then put the protective spray on there. Alright, so I went ahead and covered it, because I'm going to be spraying it here in a little bit. So I'm going to be spraying it with this. Okay, you can just follow the instructions. It'll kind of tell you, and I'm sorry it's not really focusing, but it'll tell you what you need to do. You're pretty much going to give it 2 passes, and before I do that, I'm also going to make sure that that I clean it before I actually start spraying it. But again, I just put that to make sure that it wasn't going to overspray on the paint. I'm actually freaking out a little bit. This is after the first coat, after 5 minutes have passed. So you can see that there's definitely a difference between this one and this one right here. So I'm going to give it the last coat, and then I'll kind of let you see how it looks side by side. Alright everybody, so here is the end results after the 2 coats. Let's compare it to the one on the other side. Here is the one that hasn't been treated, and then let's see them side by side. So as you can see, there is a significant difference. I'm actually pretty surprised, to tell you all the truth. I didn't think it was going to be that much of a difference, but there it is. So I'm pretty sure that I'll be able to pass inspection now, and I guess the magic spray worked. I mean, they're really clear when compared to before we put the spray on them. So I hope this was helpful. Again, all this has is I did 5 passes of PlastX, and then on top of that I did the Meguiars Headlight protectant film, 2 passes of that, and there it is. Overall, I think that you'll take about less than an hour for both of the headlights. I took a little bit longer, but because I was making the videos. Anyways, I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe. You'll be really helping me out a lot. And then also like the video if this was helpful. I'll see y'all next time.